Hello and welcome to this new video where we will show you how to reset the engine oil change warning light on a Jeep. First, plug your klavkarr car diagnostic scanner into your vehicle and turn on the ignition. Our klavkarr scanner allows you to reset the oil change warning light using a smartphone, whether Android or iPhone. Launch the app and connect to your klavkarr device. Select your vehicle's make. In this case, we'll choose Jeep and the model Compass Phase 1. MK from 2008. Make sure the ignition is on, then press It's Done. In the window that opens, select the engine ECU and click Next. In the pop-up window, click OK. Click on the diagnosis icon, then on Maintenance Oil Reset. You can reset the oil change warning light by clicking Execute. An information pop-up will tell you that this operation will reset the maintenance counters. Click OK to continue. That's it. The maintenance counter has been reset and the warning light is now off. Resetting the oil change warning light using a computer is very similar. Double-click the EOBD facile icon on your desktop to launch the software. Click on Connection, then choose your klavkarr device and click Next. Select your car's make, in our case Jeep. Then the model, Compass Phase 1 MK from 2008. Make sure the ignition is on, then press It's Done. Select the engine ECU and click Next. A pop-up window will appear. Click OK. Click on Maintenance Oil Reset and then Execute. An information pop-up will tell you that this operation will reset the maintenance counters. Click OK to continue. You've successfully reset the oil change counters and cleared the warning light. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our social media channels. See you soon.